everyone, how are you? So today we're going to be doing a Veterans Day activity since November 11th is next week, which is the day that we celebrate Veterans Day, or the day where we celebrate the people who went to war and defended our country. So today you're going to put together a little Veterans Day craft. So you'll have this and a few pieces inside a little Ziploc bag. Okay, so let me show you what we'll do with all this. You also have a little bit of a writing prompt there for you to do as well. So let me switch the camera so I can show you what to do. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is add a bit of a camouflage pattern to our green paper. So before you cut it, go ahead and grab the color brown if you have different shades of brown. So, and different shades of green too. Alrighty, so I went ahead and I picked a few pencils that I had in the colors brown, red, and green. So you can use crayons, just brown and green if you have any. And what we're going to do is we're just going to make like little spots all over the hat and the vest. Okay, so we're going to do it. You're going to just make sort of like spots all over the hat and the vest. Okay, and just use as many of those camouflage colors as you have. It doesn't need to be specific, like perfect circles or anything like that. It's just like this, blobs in a way. I just kind of go around like this, just close it, and then just change the color and do a different color. Okay, so the word camouflage, for those of you that didn't know, means to blend in with what's around you. So in the army, they wear this kind of green camouflage clothes outfit so that they can blend in the grass and the forest and stuff like that for when they're doing missions. So that's why we want to use the colors green and brown, because that's usually what we would see if we were outdoors in a jungle or in the forest, so that our army veteran can blend in. So again, you can make small ones, big ones, make blobs all over. Okay. Gonna add a few more. Making a few random lines. Like that. So there's my camouflage outfit. So once you're done adding that color to it, you can put away all these crayons, in my case, these pencils, and we're going to cut the two pieces out. Go ahead and cut them out. Okay, cut around the vest, cut around the hat. If I'm going too fast, you can always pause it and go back, or pause it, finish the activity, or that portion of the activity, and then go back, press play. Okay. Like that. Okay. Alright, so I'm going to throw that away. Now the next part is going to be to add the head and all the other pieces. So take out your glue. Okay, and let's add the hair. Now in mine, the hair and the skin look very similar. It's okay. I have girl, soldier. I don't know if we separated these based on girl or boy. So I think you might have a girl or a boy. Just like that. And then the girl one has 2 pigtails. Like this. So you're just going to add a little bit of glue right there. Okay. And then a little bit on this side. Now if you're doing the boy, you're not adding the pigtails. You're just leaving the top part. Okay, I know it's a little dark because hard to see because of the skin color that's a little darker. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add the face to the body. So I'm going to add a little bit of glue to the bottom of the face, and I'm going to attach that to the vest. And now I'm going to add the hat to the top of the head. So I'll just add a little bit of glue to the top of the head, like that. Put it a little lower, like that. And I'm going to add the little face guard, I think that's what it's called, to hold the hat in place. Okay, now this is actually going to hold on to the paper. So we're actually going to do this before we add the hands. So hold on to the hands, okay? And before we do anything else, let's add the eyes. Okay, like that. So there's the soldier. Now for the last part, we're going to be tracing the words, "Dear Veteran, thank you for." So let's trace with our pencil. Dear veteran, or veterans, thank you for. And then what's something that you feel like you should be thankful for towards the veterans? So could it be for being brave, for defending our country, for being strong, for not giving up? So you have many options for things you can write in here. Okay, I'm just giving you some. Now I'm going to color the border just to make it a little prettier. You don't have to. Okay. Just like that. Okay, and I think I'm going to put for being brave. Okay, now your parents can write it in for you and you can trace it. If you feel like you can do it, they can write it somewhere else and you can copy it. Okay, so I'm going to write for being brave. And then make sure your name is at the bottom. Okay. And then the last part is to cut around the sign. So cut around it. And then we're going to add this to the bottom of the body. So add a little bit of glue. Okay, and then we're going to add the hands to the corners. Okay, like that. And that's it for today's social study craft. Now make sure you are going to the virtual classroom to see if there's a book, and I'm going to see if there's a video kind of explaining about Veterans Day. So make sure you're going there to check those out, and I will see you in science. Bye.